Hey guys, my name is Afzal. In this video, I want to quickly show you how to create a bloom effect in your videos in Adobe Premiere Pro. Sound interesting? Let's begin by bringing the video into the timeline. Once done, let's first of all separate the audio from the video clip by pressing and holding the Alt key and clicking on the audio individually and pressing the delete button. Once done, duplicate the clip by pressing and holding the Alt key again and moving it one track above. Once done, click on the top video clip, go to the effects, search for Gaussian blur, drag and drop the Gaussian blur onto the top video clip, go to the effects control panel, click on the Gaussian blur and change the blurriness to 500. Under the opacity, change the blend mode to screen. Well, this is a little too bloomy. To add just that tad bit of realism to it, go to the effects and search for Luma key. Drag and drop that Luma key onto the top video clip. Go to the effects control and make sure Luma key is sitting right above Gaussian blur. Click on the Luma key and change the threshold to somewhere around 15. Once done, now it looks a lot more real than before. Well, that's about it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, consider subscribing to the channel, and as always, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, bye bye.